Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Shield and Kingshot. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use a Shield and Kingshot to protect your city from enemy attacks. First, make sure the Shield feature is unlocked, which happens as you level up your town center. Once available, look for the small arrow below your profile and tap it to open the menu. The first option you'll see is the Shield, which you can activate to prevent attacks and scouting from other players. Depending on your materials, you can choose different durations from a 2-hour shield up to 72-hour shield, or use a rechargeable protection shield that refreshes over time. Simply select the shield you want and activate it, and your city will be safely protected. Using shields strategically can help secure resources and give you peace of mind while you focus on your growing kingdom. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.